Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to draw Supersonic step by step. Super easy and super fun. By the way, I couldn't record this first part of the video, LOL. But don't worry, I'll guide you through everything. We'll start by drawing a circle with a vertical line right in the center. This helps us place all the facial features properly. Next, add a horizontal line to form a cross. This will make things much easier when sketching Sonic's face. Let's draw the nose, which is just a long oval shape. Then sketch this mask-like shape. This is where Sonic's eyes will go. Now, the right eye is going to be slightly bigger than the left one, just because of the angle we're drawing him from. Let's shape Sonic's muzzle and add his mouth. Just two curved lines. Easy, right? Now, time for the ears. Pointy and upright, just like our speedy blue friend. And be honest, at this point, doesn't Sonic kind of look like Lucario from Pokemon? Quick reminder, make sure to subscribe if you're enjoying this tutorial, and comment below what character you'd like to see me draw next. I'd love to hear your ideas. Let's move on to the body, just the upper torso for now, keeping it simple. Now draw both arms with soft rounded lines. No need to stress on the details just yet. And now, the coolest part, the hair. Supersonic's iconic spiky hair that shoots upward, full of energy. To erase the guidelines we drew earlier. That's why it's super important not to press your pencil too hard when sketching. Let's add some details and shading. I'm using a 6B pencil to give it that final pop. And here it is, the final result of our supersonic drawing. If you made it this far, comment yellow Sonic so I know you watched until the end. Thanks so much for drawing with me. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.